Hi there, I'm Emma Davies, the CEO and co-founder of Thesmia.ai. We are HR's internal comms buddy. We have made a brand new prompt that is going to help you look for the HR tech that you need in under 5 minutes. Incredible. So you no longer have to spend ages searching, Googling. This is going to give you a really good place to start. So if you come into Thesmia and then you access our prompt library, you'll see here it's the first prompt on the library. Help me find the right HR tech for our needs. So when you click on this, you'll see this is quite a long, detailed prompt that we've set up for you. The reason for this is that we aggregate some of the really excellent HR tech search website review websites out there. So G2, Capterra and Stakkd. We ask you really important questions to help you find the tech that you need. So for example, it will ask you things like, what's your current HR process and system? What are the biggest pain points for you right now? What are you hoping to improve by using this piece of tech? Who will the primary user be? What ideal feature set does this have? So what are must-haves versus nice-to-haves? And do you require integrations with other tools? And everything around cybersecurity. So do you need the piece of tech that you're buying to be ISO 27001? Finally, what your kind of budget and expectations are. Below in the text box, you answer these questions in as much detail as you possibly can. Now, we're limited for time, so I'm being quick. But as you can see here, we've asked it, we want a piece of performance management tech. We need it to be ISO 27001. It's mainly going to be used by managers, and as an example, we want it to integrate with Bamboo HR. So we're going to ask Thesmia, and it's going to do its little thinking. That uses a really excellent piece of research AI technology called Perplexity Ask. So it's able to aggregate the sites that we've already included in the prompt, and it's also searching the internet to be able to find the right answers for you. So you can see here it's come up with 4 different options for you, and it is coming up with key strengths. It's talking about ISO 27001 status that we were required, and then it's also potentially giving you downsides. And the really great thing about this is you can ask more questions. So let's say, for example, it's come up with our 4 vendors here. We can then actually ask it what users think about the platforms. And then what it's doing is it's drawing from G2 and Capterra, looking at the reviews, and it's giving you some examples of what the users love and what users find challenging about each individual platform. So you can use this as the basis of your search. And then the top tip that we always have is that you should always ask your network before speaking to vendors.